The robot vacuum that learned how to do laundry. If you think that's impressive, this next gadget is about to take things even further. The EcoVacs X1 Omni is the first robot vacuum that learns how to do your laundry, empty its own dustbin, refill its own water tank, and even wash itself. First, it vacuums and mops your floors as usual, but then after it finishes, it heads to a dock that does the cleaning. There's an auto-lifting mop pad that lifts and dries the mop separately from the vacuum to prevent mold and bad smells. An AQI sensor monitors air quality, filtering out 95% of particles before returning it to your space. It even uses AI to map your floor plan, learning where to go and what to avoid. Plus, with the app, you can schedule specific rooms and set boundaries. If you have pets, it recognizes their urination zones and doubles the power on those spots. And if it finds something suspicious, it takes a photo and asks you to confirm before proceeding. Considering how much time a robot vacuum saves you, this is a worthwhile investment. The phone charger that looks like it's from the future. Remember when Apple showed off that MagSafe charger with the built-in battery pack? Well, the Anker 737 is like that. Only better because it has 3 times the capacity. It charges your phone wirelessly at 22.5 watts, giving you an extra day's charge in as little as 3 hours. Swap in any Qi-enabled device and it'll juice that up too. It's compact enough to fit in a pocket and it folds flat for travel. And at $5,000 mAh, it has enough power for 2 full charges. On a single charge, it even has a light to double as a flashlight in case you need it. It doesn't charge as fast as a wired solution, but it's the closest thing we have to wireless power banks right now. This foldable laptop has a secret. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold is the coolest laptop I've used in years. Not only is it a flexible OLED display with a 16:10 aspect ratio, meaning you get more vertical space, it also folds. Yes, like a book, so you can have a 13.3-inch screen anywhere you go, whether it's to the couch, bed, or outside. You can type and scroll, then fold it flat to read or watch videos. Or use the trackpad with 2 fingers like a mouse. It's also ridiculously thin. When closed, it's just 6.5 mm thick and weighs under 2.5 pounds. Open it up and you've got a traditional Windows laptop with great performance. But here's the secret. While you won't catch me working in bed normally, it makes watching TV in bed 10 times more fun. With a 13.3-inch display on your chest, how can you say no to that? It's like having your own private IMAX screen. The projector that fits in your pocket. You probably know about portable projectors, but the Wondershare M5 is the first one that's good enough to actually use. It offers 1080p at 300 lumens. So while it's not bright enough to use during the day, it's perfect for the evening. At 4.9 pounds, it's super light for the size, and it lasts up to 3 hours on a single charge. You can connect anything via USB, HDMI, or even wirelessly, and it includes a tripod, mount, and remote. Watching a YouTube video on your phone is fine, but seeing it blown up to 120 inches is unforgettable. For $350, it's a steal considering how much fun it is. And if you want something more powerful, the M7 offers 2,000 lumens for $600, the portable grill that makes steakhouse flavor possible. Wait till you see what this next gadget brings to the table. The Traeger Grills. Griswold Portable Grill packs steakhouse flavor into a design that you can take anywhere. It runs on wood pellets, so you don't need charcoal or lighter fluid. Just load the hopper with your favorite flavor. Turn it on, and within minutes, you're ready to cook. There are 4 dials to control temperature, smoke level, and cooking time. And once you dial it in, it holds it like a champ. It can handle a 21-pound turkey or 6 racks of ribs. The Super Smoke mode even lets you make your food taste like bacon. And when you're done, cleanup takes seconds. No scraping or scrubbing needed. For a grill that goes with you, this is the perfect option. It gives you the same results as a full-size Traeger, but in a fraction of the space. Plus, there's nothing quite like the taste of wood-fired cooking. The smart lock that lets you forget about keys. You know that old saying, finders keepers, losers weepers? Well, that's the exact problem this next gadget solves. The latch. Smart Lock replaces your old keyhole lock with a digital keypad and a fingerprint reader, eliminating the need for keys altogether. Whenever you're home, you open the door with your finger. When you're away, you unlock it from anywhere using the app. And if someone else needs access, you can share a code with them. Installation takes minutes, and it works on almost any door. Since anyone can see your key, leaving one outside is risky. You might forget it, lose it, or worse, someone might find it. But when your key is inside your house, it's safe. This is ideal for Airbnb hosts who want to make check-in easy. The air purifier that kills viruses. This next product is something you'll be glad you have around. The Coway Air Mega 400 is the best air purifier I've tested. It covers 2,150 square feet with medical-grade HEPA filtration. Basically, it catches 99.9% of viruses, bacteria, allergens, pollutants, and even smoke. It's so effective that Coway claims it kills 99.99% of viruses, and it's whisper quiet at just 24 decibels. It can even dehumidify down to 30% relative humidity, and the app lets you monitor air quality, set schedules, and more. Most purifiers only improve air quality in one room, but the Air Mega uses Coway's green plasma wave technology to continuously circulate and purify the air throughout your entire house. Plus, it's backed by a 10-year warranty, which shows just how confident Coway is in its product. Whether you have allergies or you want to protect your family from viruses, this is the smartest way to ensure healthy air. And that's the latest. 7 gadgets I'd actually buy for myself. If you found this helpful, please let me know which one stood out to you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.